Today we'll talk about how can you set number of activities on your Wearfit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on your photo profile, just click on it. Then you come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on number of activities, you just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And here can you select or set your number of activities here. Then you click here on select, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.